My name is David Kennedy, and I'm a senior at the University of Idaho studying mechanical engineering. My area of focus is robotics, a degree that blends mechanical engineering with computer science and electrical engineering. In this slidecast, I will introduce a prevalent method computers use to talk to each other, known as asynchronous serial communication. Asynchronous serial communication is a process that transfers data one byte at a time. Asynchronous refers to clock data omission, while serial refers to 1 byte at a time nature. Examples of devices that use this method include GPS modules, Bluetooth, and simple LCDs, to name a few. Asynchronous serial communication can be thought of as a single faucet pouring water into a reservoir. The faucet is analogous to a wire or signal, and the water is analogous to data bytes. A faucet can only fill 1 gallon at a time, just as asynchronous serial communication only transfers 1 byte at a time. The rate at which bytes are transferred is known as the baud rate. In contrast to asynchronous serial communication, parallel bus communication can transfer multiple bytes at one instant. This can be thought of as multiple faucets filling a sink or multiple floodgates of a power dam feeding a single river. Let's look at some advantages to using asynchronous serial. Two main advantages of systems using this method to communicate include lower cost and simpler hardware. Only one wire is required to transfer data. This keeps the complexity and cost down to a minimum in comparison to most other systems. Parallel, on the other hand, relies on expensive bus rails, leading to greater complexity and cost. Let's look at a few disadvantages. Perhaps the main disadvantage is slower baud rates than other faster systems, such as parallel communication. Parallel can deliver the highest baud rates and leaves any form of serial communication in the dust. In addition, both devices communicating must agree on a baud rate. The baud rate must be precisely identical on both devices for the communication to work. This makes the system more prone to data distortions than other forms of communication. Despite its name, a certain degree of precise synchronization is required. In conclusion, asynchronous serial communication is a data transfer system geared towards sending 1 byte at a time. It is employed in most devices we use every day, in part due to its low cost and simplicity. I hope this slidecast has helped your understanding of what asynchronous serial communication is. Thank you for listening.